So guys, if you look closely, my lady dropped my phone. I'm gonna slow this because I don't see me I look so no taxi now come.
Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's cold. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older.
Hey guys, it's your girl Gabby and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today I actually have a few errands to run and wanna know the drill, now come with me. But before we even get into the video, y'all know the routine. If y'all are not subscribed, I mean, what are y'all doing? What I do? You need to subscribe. Thank you. Y'all are finna get ready with me. And I need to hurry up because I don't want to be late because I have an appointment at 1 p.m. I got to get these braces adjusted. So I'm gonna try a bit early for once in my life. It's very much needed.
Baby, just do it for you. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know.
I'm about to take taxi now. I'm gonna tell you no taxi now on the road. None. And yeah, it's literally 12:46. I'm have a 1 o'clock appointment. I'm always late. I don't know what's wrong with me.
But me don't know what do me.
I don't know.
Come like it's a demon in me.
And it's on hot. Guys, me can't do this. Cannot do this. But I'll soon back when I get taxi. Probably next 20 years later, but it's okay, we got to wait. I'm telling you what I have to do from now. So I'm gonna go get my braces adjusted. I'm not telling already, but I get my braces adjusted and then I'm gonna have to go buy something for my mother. After that, I'm go try to get a shirt somewhere, some store, I don't know where. But I need to get a shirt for go with one fit I'm gonna wear because I'm going to a football match next week. Next week? Yeah, next week. So I need to do that. And I also need to go ahead and look on some school bag and some school shoes because I don't know what kind of bag or shoes I want to wear. I'll know. So I need to go look on them. I'm not really sure exactly where I'm going to look on them. Probably the same place that I got my bag last year though. Last year? Guys, I don't even know. Mine there so it's not too hard for think about that right now. But yeah, I'll probably go back at the same place. I'll see me I look so no taxi now come. I'm tired of this. Might as well me start walk. Yeah, let me see a taxi. I don't know if you're going to come pick me up, but I see a taxi, guys. Maybe? Okay. Find a taxi, guys.
The time is money and I'm budget wasted. Oh no, baby.
So guys, we have made it to the plaza. I go upstairs. See Plaza Embrace. If I one thing, guys, me hate them stairs there because they're so steep and it can't easy for drop out there.
Just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl.
don't shed tears, but boy, they pour when I'm thinking about you. You know, no, no, I've been thinking about you. You know, no, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh.
Anyways, guys, I'm getting braces done and I put on green. I'm gonna see y'all when I'm at the nail salon because I'm gonna do my toes them. They look bad. I'm gonna go somewhere next week, as I'm telling you so. Body not gonna with ugly too. That's not hot girlish. Soon about coming out walking my phone out, then go grab it from me. All along I'm over the wrong plaza and I asked for the nail salon. Come out and I wonder which part today now, guys. I'm nearly mad. Come here, say. How much they last? I'm coming here so much time. But I like the color, y'all. I like it. What do you think? So yeah, I'm outside and nail take a wait because they're in the pan break. But I got this from the orthodontist and I'm telling you, I hate elastic, guys. I have a pack of them already. This is clear though, I have the white ones. And them so exhausting. Yes, when you put them in your mouth, it's like I can barely talk. It just always find a way to piss me off. So me personally just don't like it. But I'm have to go work with it this time. Amount of water, guys, me dead for thirst. I can't do this no longer, me bear it long enough. And so I'm gonna come with some, like myself, something, not even so water cause I'll just some of the money, guys. Now go inside. I'm not able.
All around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of nothing, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. You're just a fan. You don't hold right. No. Don't hold no right. Yeah.
You say one piece of something, give one man 200 of more water. And him say 120 feet. I say, alright, cool. The man say I go back for the water because he never have it. The man gone, I'm gonna see him back. Yes. I'm willing to wait for him because what? Guys, I'm not really on a choice right now. I'm not wait no longer, but you man, you know yourself. Know yourself. Bad blessings gonna follow you. Watch.
Few minutes later.
So guys, if you look closely, my lady dropped my phone literally a while ago. I have to do what I do. I'm going to the birds are crying right now. I'm trying on this because at this point I'm in the blows out and I'm moving right now. So this is it, guys. I'm going to go with this because there is no better looking shirt. So I deserve to take. Guys, I don't understand what it hurt me. Now I have to change the back of my phone for one way for money. So guys, I saw this ice cream. It's very good. I didn't want to get transport, but they don't have any transport in that store. So I might have to go somewhere else because I never want to spray ground again. But if either want a transport or some other type, they only have Puma or Converse. I'm not think more of them there either, so I guess I have to look somewhere else. I want a black transport. Anyways, I'm cross the road and get some to eat. I'll see y'all back. Actually reached home. I got my food. I'm just never showing when I go get it. And this is the end of the vlog because I don't have any more things to do. That was pretty much it. And guys, I'm not gonna understand how I feel. So the back of my phone cracked up. That is depressing. Literally. I don't know. But alive. Maybe I think about change it, but I think again and I say it don't really make no sense because I'm going to change my phone and it's not even cracked. It just look like it cracked, but when you feel it, it's not cracked. It just looks shattered. So may I contemplate if I fix it or not. because it looks really ugly, but at the same time it don't make no sense to fix it, then it go happen again. Because I don't really like weird cases for my phone, and I feel like that's a big issue with me, and that's the reason why the phone drop and crack up. I'm learning my lesson now, so we have to go get a case. Yeah, I did plan for other some cases now, guys, of a shame, but I did change my mind. But now the mind change again, so she have to go get it. Yeah, let's go get it. Because
Me never thought no, because my pressure. Me don't want to drop any people.
guys, I'm telling you, I cry over the phone. I cry. Tears, bro. Real tears, I cry, bro. Because I'm like, really? And then the person who bounced the phone out of my hand, she look like she did get off. She look kind of mad. So it's not like I could have stopped her and say, yo, me to lick up my phone out of my hand, because she wouldn't even do nothing. She just walked past, and I'm like,
Can't take no more. I'm just fed up. Just fed up of this life. You know, sometimes I say, better make give up.
I couldn't do nothing. Guys, anyways, I'm gonna end out the vlog, so make sure to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see y'all in the next video. That's your sword, but have a wonderful day, guys.